Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 67 of learning English. First task is 10-minute reading start. Delhi government has prepared a rupees 400 crore plan for desalting of 22 major open drains that fall into the Yamuna. These drains carry a large part of rainwater of the Yamuna, but their cleaning, said officially, has been Ovismal under the jurisdictions of different agencies so far. Delhi Government Under Development Authority on April 29 issued an order handing over the drains to the Irrigations and Flood Control Department as a single agency or better maintenance and operation. While 20 of these drains, one maintained and Municipal Corporation of Delhi, 3 belonged of New Delhi Municipal Council and MCD joint, and 4 were under the jurisdictions of their agency. Their drain have the outfall into the Yamuna. Initiative aims treat the water before rising into the river. According to officially, the respective agency carried out desalting in the run-up to monsoon this year, but only 60.4% of the work should be completed. As per an estimate, the completed quantity still deposited in these drains nearly 115 lakh cubic meters. This possible was one of the major reasons for massive waterlogging reported from several underpasses, arterial road and residential colonies in various parts of the city every time it's rained this year. A serious Delhi government officially said completely desalting these drains may take 3-4 years, though Delhi High Court has given the deadline of December 2031 to complete the process. This is a huge task, and most of these drains are totally filled into steel, and their water scrubbing capital has come down directly, said the official. Though the agency claimed the drains were cleaned ahead of the monsoon, the actual position of the on the ground completely different, he added. While the quantity survey for desalting is likely to begin October 15 after the withdrawal of the monsoon, the permanently budgetary requirement has been estimated at rupees 404.6 crore. Officially said Delhi Government Finance Department has been requested to make a budgetary provision of rupees 275 crore in the current financial year. Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar has also instructed the Irrigations and